Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Wednesday chaired a high-level review meeting with the Education Department to assess the state's performance in the Performance Grading Index (PGI) and review ongoing reforms aimed at strengthening the education sector. During the meeting, officials presented various initiatives being undertaken to improve learning outcomes, enhance school infrastructure, expand vocational education, and strengthen digital governance and data management systems. The Chief Minister reaffirmed the government's commitment to ensuring quality education for every child and stressed the need for a strategic, scientific, and data-driven approach to improve educational performance across the state. Officials highlighted Meghalaya's extensive education network comprising nearly 14,600 schools serving a population of around 30 lakh, reflecting the state's efforts to provide access to education even in remote areas. The review noted that learning outcomes remain a key focus area with interventions centered on foundational literacy and numeracy, classroom teaching, teacher support, and student welfare. Progress in upgrading school infrastructure, including science laboratories, ICT facilities, smart classrooms, libraries, drinking water systems, and solar-powered infrastructure was also discussed. A major focus of the meeting was vocational and skill-based education through the community skill integrated curriculum, which introduces practical learning from the primary level onwards. The Chief Minister directed Deputy Commissioners and district administrations to work closely with the Education Department to accelerate implementation of key interventions and ensure effective monitoring at the grassroots level. Officials informed that 3,198 schools have already been merged or consolidated under the School Rationalization Program, enabling better utilization of resources and improved service delivery. Addressing the meeting, Sangma said the reforms undertaken in recent years are laying the foundation for long-term transformation in the education sector. He stated that while Meghalaya has ensured access to schools for every child, the next objective is to ensure high-quality learning in every school. As per an official report, the state's PGI score reflects structural, administrative, and data reporting challenges does not accurately represent the talent and potential of Meghalaya students. The review reaffirmed the government's commitment to building a stronger, inclusive and future-ready education system capable of delivering better learning outcomes for the children of Meghalaya.
A very good morning, everyone. My name is Haikiru Chadam, and I am from Nuwara Liberty Higher Secondary School, Jowai, and I secured the 8th position in the HSSLC examination this year. So it is deeply an honor to be felicitated by our respectable, honorable Chief Minister, and this kind of program, it will create a kind of motivation for all the juniors to keep on working hard for their dreams, and yes, and it is quite necessary to organize this kind of program. Though it is a small program, but then it is deeply an inspired one. And the only message that I want to share is that to be successful in life, you don't need just intelligence and but then you need consistency, hard work, and dedication that you put into your work.
Very good morning, everyone. My name is Viraj Bhattacharjee from St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School. Today is a very fulfilling day for me because I've secured the 8th position in my HSSLC examination. Well, this journey is very fulfilling for me because honestly, previously I was a very timid guy, but St. Edmunds has indeed changed my personality altogether. And I feel your consistency in your life and your perseverance matters, because without those two things, you cannot succeed in life. I mean, yeah, studies are one aspect of your life, but enjoyment is also another aspect of life, because without enjoying your life, you cannot succeed as well. I encourage all of my juniors to also achieve greatness and to also enjoy your life altogether.
Good morning, my name is Mihashi Roy. I'm from St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. I am from art stream and I got first rank. So my journey would be a description of sacrifices, because I feel like sacrifice are one thing which gives people achievement. If you're ready to sacrifice, you are ready to do anything in your life, you are ready for anything. And for me, I would say that my journey would include sacrifices and discipline. You need to stay consistent with your studies. You need to work hard for what you need to achieve. And I feel like today's felicitation reflected our Chief Minister's hope and aspirations for the youth, his efforts for the youth, and the way he's trying to improve the education system in Meghalaya.
Hello everyone, my name is Amos Chinminluan from St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. I've secured the second position in the science stream with a percentage of 94. Talking about my journey, my journey has been filled with a lot of challenges as well. Science stream being a very difficult stream, I had my initial struggles, but thanks to God, my teachers and my parents who always believed in me, and so because of them I never gave up, and because of which I've been able to achieve this stage today. And an advice to my juniors would be to work hard consistently. I know it sounds boring, but then I believe that it's the boring advice that takes you far in life. So work hard consistently, know yourself well, have ambitions, and work your best. Give it your all to achieve them. And regarding the program hosted by the Chief Minister, I believe it's a wonderful initiative taken by him, which motivates and inspires the upcoming students as well to work harder. And that's all. Thank you.